Namaskara. It is indeed a laudable venture of Avadhani Foundation for having initiated Kamlati Avadhani Memorial Award. In this era, wherein light music is flooding the art, and there is indeed a dearth of competitions which really encourage Carnatic classical music. So in this regard, I would like to congratulate the Avadhani Foundation for organizing this competition, which is of very high standards, and it is giving a very good opportunity for the participants, the upcoming artists, to be exposed to the various avenues of classical music, and also to explore their talent to the fullest. And I'm very happy that they have completed 9 years in this journey. I wish them all success. Coming to increasing the number of participants for this competition, number one is to have the full association with the teachers. So without the help of the teachers in the field of Carnatic music, it is very difficult to propagate the idea of the competition. So if you associate with the teachers and contact them prior, say 3 or 4 months earlier, so that they can train the students and send them to the competition. I think they are already into it, they are doing it, but if it's better if it's extended to a larger scale. That's number one. And number two, they have already been putting it up on their website. And in addition to that, if they also propagate it through various magazines, cultural magazines, not just in Karnataka, but also in the other states like Shruti magazine or the souvenir of the magazine of the Music Academy, like that, if they give an advertisement again beforehand 2 or 3 months, it is better. It gives more advertisement, and also you could use the social media, social networking. That is one thing. And secondly, if I'm right, you are conducting the competition just for the vocalists, correct? If it is extended to the instrumentalists as well, because there are many potential instrumentalists in our own Karnataka. So if it is extended to the instruments also, then automatically it will fetch more number of participants. And number three, as of now, the age group is somewhere around 15 or 16, I believe. With the standards which the competition is expecting, the rules and regulations which you have put forth, they are of really very high standards, and it is, I think, little difficult to find many participants below the age of 15, because it requires very good level of degree of manodharma, maybe the alapna or nirval or swara, since you'll be expecting all those. And most importantly, you are inviting eminent musicians who are going to train them up, groom them by interacting with them and everything. So it is better if it is extended to a second age group, say 16 to 20 or 22. It will definitely fetch more number of participants, because to reach that degree of proficiency, it automatically goes by the age. So it will automatically fetch more number of participants, I feel. And thank you, all the best.